Here I am, know it's been a while.
Hey babes.
About my love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellen and I hope you will enjoy this video. Well, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you my whole tanning routine using this beauties right here, Loving Tan. And who doesn't know, Loving Tan is an Australian brand that manufactures amazing tanning products, and they contacted me recently and asked me if I wanted to try their products, and I was more than happy because I have spotted their Instagram for so many times and they have amazing results, so I wanted to try their products on myself. So when I got the products and I tested them for the first time, I was like, wow, because this is the most natural tan I've ever had. I have tried a lot of brands. As you know, I have such a fair skin, so I love tanning so much, and I have tried several tanning products, but the result that I got from Loving Tan was like, it was a surprise because I don't have any orange tones on my body and my tan looks so natural. And what I love the most, they have this amazing 2-hour express tan, and this is so fast. You just apply the tanning mousse and you wash it off in 2 hours and you have the flawless tan that's getting darker and darker like every day, and it lasts like for 10 days for me. And I'm gonna show you everything in my video, how I extend the lifetime of my tan. So as I told you, Loving Tan has the most natural tan that many other brands have, and this is because all the Loving Tan products contain high quality ingredients such as DHA that many other brands also have, but they also contain erythrulose. I don't know if I pronounced this correctly, I'm not sure. Erythrulose, yeah, I think it's red, it's like that, and it's an ingredient that eliminates orange tones on your body, and your tan look natural and flawless. So if you want to see how I made this bronzy glowy tan just in one day, like in few hours, just keep watching. So guys, to make sure you get perfect fake tan, there are a few things you have to make sure you have done before applying the fake tan. So what I usually do the day before application, I take shower, I shave my body, whole body, like you have to make sure you don't have any hair on your body, and then I exfoliate my body. And Loving Tan has this tan removing and skin polishing glove, and this is the new one. They made me happy and sent me a new one, but I have the old one, so this one is what I use. And I just pop inside, and as you can see, it has two sides. This side black is more strong, more harsh, and the pink side is like more light, soft. So what I usually do when I get in the shower, I wet myself and then just take this, wet it, and just with the circular motions rub my body, and it removes all the dead skin and unwanted tan from my body, and I can see this easily. And as I said, it really makes magic. I don't use any scrub, I just use this exfoliating glove and exfoliate my body so well. After exfoliating, my skin becomes so soft, so smooth, and like without tan. So as you can see, I'm without tan. I just have some tan lines, but this is from the natural tan, like from the sun, so that's fine. I'm gonna cover it with the fake tan now. Also, moisturizing your dry part is the third main thing before applying fake tan, because there are some dry parts of your body that get the tan too much and it becomes like patchy, and it's not really nice to see. It's getting more dark than the other parts of your body. So what I usually do, I moisturize my elbows, my knees, my ankles, and definitely my hands, because hands are the parts of your body that become the most like patchy, and you don't want to have like crazy hands after applying the fake tan, so I usually moisturize my hands. So remember these three main things: shaving, exfoliating, and moisturizing dry parts. So after that, I'm ready to apply my fake tan. I'm gonna be using this 2-hour express tan because this is my favorite. This saves too much time and this is so quick. Just apply fake tan and wash it off in 2 hours and you have amazing like olive brown, olive natural tan. Loving Tan also sent me this Deluxe Applicator Mitt, and I can say that these two together really makes magic. And this is the new one. I actually have the other one. This is my Applicator Mitt and I'm in love with it because it's so soft. It spreads the tan and blends the tan on your body so easily, so smoothly. And what I love of this mitt is it's a dark color, black, and most of the brands have like yellow or white applying mitt, and when you apply the fake tan and it's usually dark, it's getting so dirty and when you look at it, it's so gross. So this glove is dark and you just can't say if it's used or not. It looks like new. And also I have a surprise for you guys. If you use my code ellene, I'll leave my discount code in the description box. You'll get the mitt for free. Now I'm gonna apply the tan. I just take 1, 2, 3 pumps, and what I do, I'm just gonna start from my chest and I rub it all over my chest. We're here, so I'm gonna do like this. And also, did I tell you that this mousse smells amazing? It's like a soft coconut smell, and as you can see, it's getting dark immediately. And it's so easy to see which parts you are missing from your body. So about my hands, how I tan them, I just don't apply the tanning mousse directly on my hand, just rub all the tan all over my body, and then the residue, what is left on the glove, I just do like this, like really softly, and it's getting so natural on your hands. So this is the difference. As you see, it's already dark.
Rolling thunder, flashing light, heard a whisper in the night, and it said,
So there is one thing that I wanted to mention with you guys. When you apply the fake tan and you see like some patchiness or some lines of the tan, like darker, lighter, you should not be worried about this. You just have to make sure that you apply the tan all over body, and after you wash it off, all the lines, all the patchiness will go away and you'll have flawless natural tan without any lines, so you don't have to be worried about that. Now I gotta tan my back, and for my back, well it's always a struggle to tan your back, and usually my hubby helped me to tan my back. This time Loving Tan sent me this back applicator. Well, I used this before, that's why I don't know why it looks like green. Yeah, I have this applicator and it's so easy and so useful to apply the tan on the back, and now I'm gonna show you how I apply it. So I just spray 1 pump of the tan. Guys, I just tanned my whole body and I wear like fluffy like this silky robe. I don't want to wear something tight because of the tan to be perfect. So as you see, my face, it's so fair, so light, and there's so much difference. I didn't apply the mousse on my face because Loving Tan also cares of our faces, and they just launched a brand new product, Deluxe Face Tan, and this face tan is created specifically for our face, and it contains aloe vera, green tea, and pomegranate. So I'm trying this face tan for the first time now, and I can't wait to see the result on my face. So I'm gonna use the brush to apply the face tan because I don't usually love when the fake tan gets on my hands. but it says that you can apply it with your hands and then immediately wash it off because you don't want to have like crazy dark hands. So I have to open this or not. Yes, it's sealed. Okay, let's open this. My face is completely clean. I don't have makeup on, I don't have anything. I just scrubbed my face like yesterday night, so I'm just gonna take this amount and I'm gonna take the mirror and just put some dots and just blend it. Oh, it smells so good. It has like a very light fragrance, and I'm just gonna rub it all over my face. And as the Mousse and other tanning products, it gets dark at once, so you can easily see where you're missing which part you're missing of the face. And you have to be careful with the eyes, just like this. So I'm gonna wait for 2 hours, then wash it off and show you the results. So guys, as you see, my tan is fully developed. I'm so tanned on my body, on my face. I'm so happy. And what I forgot to tell you is that this baby dries up so quickly that in like few minutes, and after that it's not tacky at all, so you can wear your clothes or just sleep in it and there's no problem. So now I'm gonna go take shower and just come back. I'm going to show you 2 more goodies, so just wait for me. So guys, I just got from the shower. I know my hair looks a little crazy, it's wet and I couldn't tie it up well. So as you can see, my whole body is so tanned. I'm so in love with this natural olive brown tan, and oh my god, I love the face tan so much. This is so natural and this matches my skin so well. Thank you so much, Loving Tan, for developing this magical face tan. It's really amazing and I love it. So now, as promised, I'm gonna show you 2 more goodies. So this is the Gradual Tan, this beauty right here, and it's a Deluxe Gradual Tan Nourishing Tinted Body Lotion. When you have tan on your body, you should daily moisturize and apply lotion on your body, and Loving Tan made it easier, even easier. So they developed this Deluxe Gradual Tan, and it not only moisturizes your body, it has this dark tint that boosts your tan even more, and it's getting even darker and darker. So now I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna apply it with the Deluxe Mitt that I spoke before, and I really love this mitt. And don't forget to check my description for the discount code to get this mitt for free. So I'm gonna apply this Deluxe Gradual Tan with the mitt. You really see the difference, how it made my tan even darker. This is why I love this Gradual Tan. It not only moisturizes my body and makes my skin soft, it also boosts the color on my skin, and day after day after using this Deluxe Tan, my tan is becoming so dark, and can extend your perfect tan on your skin for 10 days. This is absolutely amazing. I'm in love with this product. So guys, I'm back. I just dried my hair a little and just added some highlighter and lip liner on my face. I didn't want to add anything on my face because I love this look, this sun-kissed look from the face tan, and I didn't want to apply foundation or anything. I'm not going anywhere, so I think this highlighter looks amazing on the face tan. So the last product that I wanted to show you is this bronze shimmer. Guys, this is everything. Believe me, if you go out somewhere for an event or some party, this is must have because it gives you so much glow on your tan body. I applied it on my chest with the Applicator Mitt. This is how it looks like. As you can see, it's already so shimmery. it says in the direction it's better if you apply on the moisturized skin. So I have my skin already moisturized with the Gradual Tan lotion. So I don't know if you can see this glow on camera, but believe me, it's so glowy. It's like a whole texture is so glowy, and it's so perfect on the picture and on the flash. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Well, as I said, this is the second day, the demonstration video I filmed the day before, and as you can see, my whole body is so dark and I'm so tan. It's darker than it was yesterday, and also this is why I love this Deluxe Gradual Tan. I use this as a moisturizer, and it makes my tan even darker and deep color, and it extends like my tan life for 10 days, like for 2 weeks, and this is amazing. And also I wanted to say about my face tan, this is really innovation in the tanning world, because look at my face. I don't have anything. I don't have any foundation, any BB cream. I just applied this tan and washed it up in 2 hours, and this is it. I don't want even to use something, any bronzer, or I just have the highlighter that perfectly matches this tan, and this is all I'm going to have in this summer. And this is so lightweight and it smells amazing. I'm really in love with Deluxe face tan, and thank you so much Loving Tan for sending me to try this amazing brand new product. So guys, this is pretty much it for my tanning journey. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for your feedback, for your sweet messages, for subscribing to my channel, for supporting my channel. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.